Hello, my name is Aditya Purwanto and I am currently at the master graduate from Swiss German University and at Faculty Engineering and Information Technology, MIT Batch 34. And currently for my thesis, I taken the subject of how I can optimize and standardize vendor management in supply chain of EDC machine at PT XYZ. And why I taken this subject into this thesis research is because currently in the supply chain internally at the PT XYZ, by direct appointed of the vendor itself that across nationwide in the 78 areas itself by total 10 vendor that managing in the nationwide in the Indonesia population. Actually, it is quite a challenge in delivery of the SLA itself, and currently the target from the management in the delivery of SLA by 99%. Actually, it is unachievable and undelivered in the SLA delivery basis itself. And started from this main point, I try to incorporate the IT governance model and framework to be used in the proposed design later on my proposed framework itself. So I started by comparing three famous frameworks starting from the COBIT 2019, ETIL, and last but not least is the SCORE itself. By comparative analysis from this three framework, actually being found out that COBIT 2019 focuses on the governance and management objective itself, and especially can be used in the complex situation or scenario which there is no civil balance for the implementation of the framework itself. And the second one is ETIL itself. ETIL focuses on the IT delivery service, especially in the management of the incident management itself, to deliver the quality services in the term of customer point of view itself. And last but not least is the SCORE framework, that part of the EPICS portfolio that focusing on the monitoring performance at the supply chain management itself, and especially in identifying the backlog itself. From the three comparative study itself, we found out that COBIT 2019 is the most suitable framework that can be used and to be explored further into implementation at the PT XYZ and in the proposed framework itself. So we choose the COBIT 2019 exclusively as the anchor point to be the framework itself. And started from the COBIT 2019 itself, actually we do the GAMO alignment starting from the enterprise goal to alignment goal, and last but not least into the domain activity itself in the GAMO alignment itself. And for this case study, we actually utilize the domain of APO 10 to managing the vendor itself, and DSS 0.1 to manage the operational itself, and last but not least the MEA 01 to monitoring performance and conformance report itself. And by utilizing this design, actually we conduct the capability maturity level to find the gap analysis. Is it suitable if the maturity gap in this three domain is quite like or lower in maturity, will be reflected to the SLA delivery. And actually we can find the similarity, and we can find that this kind of gap in the maturity level in these three domains actually represented in the SLA delivery itself. And starting from this point of view, actually we utilize the GAMO process in this three domain in the COBIT 2019 into reflecting. For the first one, we created the design and we created the scoring method. The second one, we created the roadmap for mitigation and to do the improvement itself in the supply chain. And last but not least, to creating the SOP itself for the SOP for vendor selection and tender process and rationalization. And the second one is SOP for the onboarding vendor itself. And last but not least, this scoring method from the SOP created, we calculate using the simple weighted average, because all of the parameter is quite straightforward to measure based on the performance itself, based on the capability level, and last but not least based on the pricing. And overall, by evaluate this kind of proposed design that we utilize the anchor point from the COBIT, actually all the stakeholders agree 100% that this solution can be implemented directly and improve the quality service at the PT XYZ, especially on the delivery of the EDC services supply chain itself. Thank you.